Hi dear students, grade 9. We'll see today the remaining problems, remaining lessons in that chapter 16, angles of a triangle. I complete the previous video, part of the chapter. Today we'll see the remaining questions, right? So today I'll teach you a theorem, that means a rule of a triangle or property of a triangle. That's called theorem. That's there I can see the page 92 in your book. So see, this is a theorem. If a side of a triangle, is produced, comma, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Very important theorem. In a triangle, if a side produced, so form the exterior angle equal to what? Sum of the interior opposite angle. So what do you mean that? So I will show you practically how to obtain that property. Is it true or wrong or false or incorrect? See how to find that. See, I draw a diagram. I drawn a diagram here. So I am showing the practical situation. Before that, you know the angle. This is inside angle, interior angle. This is also interior. Here interior. This is called outside, exterior angle. See, if it's triangle, three interior angles. If you want the exterior angle, then you produce the side. That's called exterior, outside angle. Okay. Now if you use this instrument, this is called what? Protractor, right? Measuring the angle, protractor. So I measure this all angle and I show you what the magnitude I obtain. See, is the protractor. So I hope you learned the grade 7 maths, how to use this. So come here, I keep this my figure and measuring this comes for me that I take approximate answer, that is 80 degrees, right? This comes 100 what from here? From here. See, 110 degrees. This is 110 degrees. Okay. And I measure this one. See this angle. You also follow, you draw a diagram, any diagram measure. To me this is becomes what here? 0, 10, 20, 30. This becomes here 60 degrees. Okay. This is 60 degrees. I measure now this angle. How to measure this? Keep the protractor like this as center. The vertex should be center. This line 0 degree. For measure from here, becomes here 10, 40, 50, 60 here. Yes, 50 degrees. This becomes 50 degrees. So is it true? Check this. Side produce exterior angle 110. Interior opposite. These two addition also 110. That's the practical measuring that method, how to show is it true theorem, right? Exterior angle equal to sum of that two. See, I show another, I do another diagram like this. See, another diagram I drawn here, randomly drawing. So where is the exterior angle? Where is the exterior angle side produce? Side produce is called, you can produce any sides, right? I show this side, this is exterior angle, which is equal to opposite this and this angle addition. So once I took this protractor, measuring this angle and these two and see whether both come same, right? I'm measuring this angle. I keep here. And I'm measuring this comes to me that 0, 10, 40, 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees to me, right? 45 degrees. And I measure this one now. I'll keep that here. And if I measure this, come 10, 20, 25 degrees. This is 25 degrees. Okay, that's become 25 degrees. I measure this angle with the protractor, right? So I keep this line 0 mark line. I measure this 0, 10, 15 is 20 degree, 20. Yes, see, the theorem is true, valid. This 2 addition equal to this. Side produce exterior angle equal to interior opposite. This is the practically showing this theorem is true, right? You draw many triangles, how I shown, measure with the instrument, protractor, there comes equal, okay. Now I show how to prove this another method, theoretical method. The exam we won't show you by measuring everything because your diagram is different, mine different, another one diagrams are different triangle. Their teachers couldn't correctly, properly, they also measure for every was difficult. They ask some different formal, that oral proof, how to show this method, brief proof method. I will now show how to clearly show this theorem is true, right? See that. For that I take a triangle ABC, okay? So this we call data, triangle is given ABC and the side produced to, I say D, in the triangle ABC, side BC produced to D, okay? So I want to show what this angle, ACD angle, ACD, you know how to write the name, 3 letters, equal to what? This angle plus this angle, okay? What is this name? ABC angle. ABC angle plus here this one BAC angle, okay? BAC angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angle, okay? Right. So you can't do using this diagram by this theoretical part proving. We need some extra line, additional line to be drawn here, right? That is, we draw a line through C parallel to BA. Draw a line through C parallel to BA. Okay? For this, we draw a line parallel to that. Now I show everything by diagonally. I mark that. See that? I take this angle is X. This is X. I take that's X. I say it's Y. This is Y. Now I want to show completely therefore what? X plus Y, okay? Side produce exterior angle equal to big angle equal to opposite these two. Interior opposite 2 angles available. So its complete answer to be what? X plus Y. Therefore the method is the green color draw. I mark that this line is important. That's called construction, nirmana, amaipu. We draw this line additionally, right? Everything now I show in the diagram. Now see this. This is X, this is X. Therefore this is X. Why that? Your all syllabus you learn in the previous the chapters in part 1 book. Lines are parallel. Here, what the name? Corresponding angle. So if ABC is X, we name here put E. ECD also X, corresponding angle. You write later properly, keep it yourself, right? Now see, this is Y, this also Y. Here and there, what the name called? Z shape, look like Z, Z shape, alternate angle. Here Y, here Y, alternate angle. Therefore, what the name, or write the ACD angle value. ACD angle value, what is that? X plus Y. X plus Y. Using this construction important. Hereafter write the corresponding angles are equal and write the alternate angles are equal and complete the answer X plus Y, right? So I shown you 2 methods practically how to use by measuring the angle and at the both and show both same. Otherwise this pattern, right? Okay. So in your grade 9 we have some more calculation problem. There we'll see the questions. Take your page 93. Page 93. See how to find that exterior angle is what? when you produce a side of a triangle, it forms an exterior. So they ask us question, select and write the letters corresponding to the angles which are exterior angles are of the given figure. Where are the exterior angle? That is very first you must identify before go to the problem. You know what you mean the exterior angle. That's why they ask this diagram. See this diagram. This is C. Here B. And this is produced A. This completely they mention D. And there is D, A, B, C, D. Can I say here E? Tell me which one exterior angle. When the exterior angle comes, side produce, okay? Side produce only exterior angle form. This side produced. So B is the exterior angle. Don't produce the other one. First you see if I draw separately, see this figure. Think like that. This is produced. So this is the exterior angle. So B is the exterior angle. Okay, B. Think here, this big diagram. B is an exterior angle. See another one. So I'm briefly showing some more diagram with the more diagrams, right? It's a triangle. What happens if I produce this? This also exterior angle. Bahira kona, pura kona, veliye ulla kona. C also exterior angle. Mark that. C is the exterior angle. And see, come here. This is the triangle. I produce this one. This is exterior angle. What is that? E. E is the exterior angle. Okay. Here B is the exterior angle. C is the exterior angle. E is the exterior angle. A not the exterior angle. Because not a side is produced. Okay. That's the answer of that question. And see the second diagram. The triangle is like this. This is R. This is check maybe letters they mark whatever. Here U. This is P. Here Q. Here X. S. Tell what are the exterior angle on that diagram. So if you find how I explained this previous question, similar problem, try there. The exterior angles comes before go to the problem. You know how to identify the bahira kona, exterior angle. So the easy method, see if I draw the triangle first like this. It's the triangle. I produce this exterior angle. So what is that? X. X is the exterior angle. Okay. Next. It's the triangle. I produce a side. You produce a side. Paadayak dik karanda. Side ekak dik karanda. Pakka montai neaten kani. This one. Exterior. So what? S. Exterior angle. The same. What? Produce this one. Is it okay? Produce this one. Then what? Here R. Not this one. It's a straight line. Straight line angle 180 not come the exterior. So what are? These are the exterior angle methods, okay? So I hope you understood how I am show this pattern. Now we go to the problem, take page 94 problems, all calculation questions. So we can find those one by one, right? Using important theorem. I proved this theorem with two methods I shown you, by calculation method and proving theoretical method, right? Okay, see first question. There are the lowercase English simple letters value find. This is X. Here 70. Here 53. Find the X answer. Therefore this triangle side is produced exterior angle x equal to what? Exterior angle equal to what? Sum of the interior opposite, these two addition, right? Therefore 70 plus 53, so what the answer? 123 degrees, okay? That's the answer. Next diagram, 75, here A, here 138. So find the A answer. Any side given as produced, shown as produced, right? This is produced. This is the exterior angle. So this is equal to what? These two addition. Interior opposite. Interior opposite. Properly identify, simple question, but very useful till your O levels and year after also. So A plus 75 equal to what? 38. Okay. So find the A answer. Subtract 138. 138. So A answer 138 minus 75. Okay. So what is that? A answer 8 minus 5, 3. Yes, 6. Is it okay? Check value. 138 degrees. Okay. See next. You can work all these one by. Stop the video. Stop. Pause the video. Try on and check with me later all these answers. Third question. Here 50 degrees and the outside shown as 112 degrees. Check value. Find the answer. M value. M cut. Find the M value, right? M value. So how this question little bit different, is it? This is produced. They also produced. Therefore, a different color. Mark that angle, that anything that you know. Here 90 mean, straight line 180. Here 90. Okay. Now actually we don't not need this straight line. I raise it. You don't raise, right? Now use the method. M equal to what? Exterior angle equal to what? Interior addition is 2. 90 plus 50, what the value? 140 degrees. 140 degrees. That's the meaning. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposites, right? Okay, see next question number 4. Problem number 4. This is 60 degrees. This is A. Here 135. Here X. Here find the X value and the A value. When we work in question along this under this theorem, don't forget that you learned what? A straight line 180, three angles of a triangle 180, vertically opposite angles are equal. When lines are parallel, alternate angles equal, corresponding angles equal, sum of the alleged angle 180. Don't forget those things. Okay, now how this answer? A value totally 180 degrees. So find the A answer, straight line addition. A plus 135 is 180. So take the 135 that side, find the A value. So A answer 180 minus 135. So what is that? 10 minus 5, 5. Here is it 40 degrees? Check value. A 40 degrees, okay? A 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees, okay? Now come to today's lesson. Exterior angle equal to that problem. Take this triangle, side produce, exterior. So now that is not necessary. See, think like this, x produce over that. Out angle equal to sum of the interior opposite. This two addition is that. So what the answer, x equal 60 plus 45. So what that? 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Okay, that's the method of this calculation. See next question, problem 5th question. That is a line parallel and a triangle formed. And the important question, this is x degrees, here 78 degrees. Here 52 degree, and the additional part lines are parallel, and the additional part, so find the x value. So how to calculate this x value using this theorem, right? So not only the triangle but all the arrow indicates for the parallel. So you know, here 52, here 52, why that? Alternate angle, alternate, like a Z shape, alternate angles are equal, okay? Now take this triangle. If you confuse, I am raising this. You don't raise. I am explaining method through this YouTube channel. So produce 78 equal to what? X plus 52. So what is the x answer therefore? X plus 52 is 78. So find the x answer. 78 minus 52, subtract. So what is that? 8 to 4, 6, 26 degrees x value. Okay. It's a very interesting question. Calculation problems are easy. Follow me how I am showing this, and keep in touch and work before that. Always keep in touch. Okay, see next question how. Next problem. Also 5th diagram, 6th diagram. A triangle is given like this, is it? The side is produced. Here also they mention this is 90 degrees. Here 35 degrees. Here completely 90. Mark properly. See, view the diagram in your book, page 91, page 94. This is A. This part is A. Here B. So question is find the A and the B values. Find the values of A and B, right? Okay, so how you think you are this today's lesson? There are so many triangles available. What happens if I take the big triangle? Take the largest triangle. Take the biggest triangle. If you confuse, I can draw like this large triangle. This is 90. Here 90. Here 35. This is B. Then find the B answer. Take the biggest triangle. Then ignore this line at the moment and find the big triangle. Side produce. Exterior B equal to what? Interior sum addition of two angles. Therefore B answer is what? 90 plus 35. What is that? 125 degrees. Okay, B is 125 degrees. How the next part? Find the A value. Now we take another triangle. I am raising this. You don't raise. See this triangle. Take this triangle. Simple case. You know the B answer. You know B is 125. Here A, here 90. Outside 90 means the other side also 90 degree right angle. Okay. So take this triangle. A added 90 is the exterior angle 125, right? So A plus 90 is 125 because B is that. So take the 90 that side, subtract, but the value be 35 degrees. Okay, it's the method. So next question, problem 7. You try, will you? Stop the video and try on and check. This is N, this is M, here 80, this is 128 degrees, this is 45. Interesting problem. Suitable question for grade 9 like yours. Simple, easy. So see how to calculate the M values and N value. First take this triangle. Take this triangle. Take this triangle, complete the M answer, forget the other part. What happened? Side produce exterior angle equal to these two addition. M plus 80, M plus 80, M plus 80 equal 128 degrees. Okay, so take the 80, subtract 128 minus 80. So what the answer? 48 degrees. It M equal to 48 degrees. Now find the N answer. This N. So here also 45 is called vertically opposite angle idea. Grade 8 maths. So you can mark a different color. Always what we have to mark should diffuse the different color, right? That's the way of studying a geometrical problems. Here 45, here 45. Now you can take other triangle, find the N answer. So I raise this, now see this, I raise the other part. If you're confused, I raise this, now see. What is that? M equal to what? N plus 45 is it? Okay, N plus 45 equal to 80. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. Therefore, the N value, take the 45 here, subtract 80 minus 45, get the answer. It's the method, right? Okay, my dear students, you try the remaining problem. The one video I finish it, I will show the brief solution for other problems. Before, the best thing, you try on, don't wait till my work, don't copy my math, these answers to show your teachers later when the school reopen. You try on, build up your skills of mathematics, especially geometry. So in the one video enough to show me everything hereafter. So keep in touch. Newcomers, please subscribe that English word in below this left of this video screen. You can subscribe word, press that. Then there's a bell sign. Press that also. Then only you will collect automatically all the video in future. Otherwise, you never receive my videos. Right? I can't individually send it. Nearly 4,000 viewers there with me. This my YouTube platform. So I can't send it for everybody individually. So best thing, subscribe. Press the bell sign. We'll see next video. Right?